In Topeka, Kansas, racism and discrimination was on the rise. African Americans did not have many rights, and the fight for equality was not making as much progress as hoped. Change had to be made.
Linda Brown was a third grader at the time. She originally would have had to walk 1 mile to a rundown school, when a better, white school was only 7 blocks away. Oliver Brown was a welder and an assistant pastor at his church. With the help of the NAACP branch in Topeka, he successfully integrated and put his daughter in a good school. When Linda arrived at Sumner Elementary School, she was met with hatred and hostility from both teachers and students. They would not let her in the classrooms, which caused her father to file a class action suit against the Board of Education.
Thurgood Marshall was a lawyer on behalf of the Browns. He was an African American and a member of the NAACP. He was known for winning the Smith versus Allwright in 1944 and the Shelley versus Kramer in 1948.
This was not the first time that a school was attempted to be integrated. Plessy versus Ferguson was a case that tried to integrate schools, but failed under the rule separate but equal. Monroe Elementary School was Linda's original school. It was inadequate to Sumner in almost every way possible. It burned to the ground in 1992. It would take Linda over a mile to get to that school. How could she learn if she was tired from walking for almost 20 to 30 minutes? Sumner was an all-white school that was much better than Monroe. It was not only closer to Linda's house, but had better trained teachers, and she learned a lot more when she was there. Although the court ruled that schools be integrated, many in the South did not agree. They had protests, riots, and even a written document explaining why schools should not be integrated. Many political figures in the South agreed with the idea that whites need to be separated from blacks, so the Southern Manifesto was created. It took many decades after legal integration, but now schools and public places are integrated, thanks to the help of people like Martin Luther King, Rosa Parks, Malcolm X. All their hard work is finally paid off.